In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the lowest price in Japan Airlines 2026. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Japan Airlines website. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the main booking area front and center. Make sure the page is in your preferred language and region, then get ready to set up your search. Click on the flight option to open the flight search form. In the from field, select where you're flying from. You can type the city or airport code and then choose the correct match from the suggestions that appear. Next, in the to field, select where you're flying to in the same way, confirming the city or airport you want. Now move to travel dates. Open the calendar and select your departure date first. Take a moment to glance across the month view if it's visible. Prices can vary by day, and midweek or off-peak dates often come out cheaper. After you've chosen your departure, pick your return date. The system will highlight both selections so you can quickly see the length of your trip. Before you search, choose passengers and class. Set the number of adults, children, and infants traveling, then pick the cabin you prefer. If your priority is price, economy generally offers the lowest fares, but you can change this if you need extra comfort. Keep in mind that the class you select here will guide the results you see next. With those details filled in, click Search Flights. The site will load the flight selection page with your available options. Here's the key part. Look for a small label that says Lowest. That tag identifies the cheapest available fare for the date and cabin you've chosen. Review the listed flights, and when you see that lowest label on an outbound option that fits your schedule, select it. You'll usually find fare details nearby, which can include rules about changes or baggage, so it's worth checking those quickly if they're important to you. After choosing your outbound flight, you'll be taken to the return options. Again, scan for the same lowest label on the return date you selected. Pick the return flight that carries that tag to lock in the cheapest round-trip combination for your search. As you make your selections, the total price typically updates, giving you a clear view of your final cost, and that's it. By using the flight search, setting your route and dates, and selecting the options marked lowest on both the outbound and return, you'll confidently find the lowest price on Japan Airlines in 2026.